6 years of a child's life are fundamentally important. These years form the foundation upon which the child's future success depends. In fact, recent research confirms that the first 6 years are particularly important for the development of a child's brain. Early experiences provide the base for the brain's organizational and function development throughout life. Since children learn more quickly during their early years than any other time in life, and since every child has a right to grow up in an environment that enables them to reach their full potential, it is our duty as parents, as a community, and as a civil society to ensure that the rights of children are respected, protected, and fulfilled. Unfortunately, owing to the pandemic, several children between the ages of 3 to 6 are being denied these rights. In order to fulfill our duty, we need to provide children with opportunities to actively participate and engage in constructive activities. Presenting the Freethinking School's Montessori at Home program. This program has been put together by experienced Montessorians. It's tried, tested, and substantiated based on feedback from parents and children. Listen to what our parents have to say.
Hi, Freethinking School is one of the best schools that I have seen where they take care a lot of aspects of our children. They look not only into their academics, but like the hygiene, how to take care of them, how to keep things packed properly, various motor skills like rolling a mat, keeping the cups back, separating of things. So a lot of things that a child has to develop, they really take care of it, which is one of the most important aspects that I have seen of Freethinking School. And I'm really proud that my daughter Christina, we have chosen this school for her. Even during this pandemic, the teachers are taking in a lot of effort to see that the children have their activities at home by delivering packages with a lot of interesting activities, which brings an interest for both the parents and the child, and thereby develop a lot of their skills and knowledge. I really recommend Freethinking School as one of the best schools for our children during their stepping stones.
As we all know, Montessori is the most scientific and comprehensive preschool program that caters to the individual needs of the developing child. This program caters to children between the ages of 2.5 to 6 years of age. Since too much screen time is detrimental to a child's developing brain, we would be training and equipping parents, not children, with the necessary skills to be able to conduct these Montessori activities at home. This training takes place in the form of short 2-minute videos as well as Montessori workshops as and when required. Weekly counseling sessions between parent and Montessori adults further empowers parents to effectively mete out Montessori at home. Children thrive when there's a routine. Hence, we offer a daily lesson planner with specific activities for parents and children to engage in every day from Monday to Friday. These activities can be done at a time that is convenient for a parent, but please keep in mind your child's body clock. Montessori materials are key to constructing the child's knowledge. Hence, you will receive aesthetically designed Montessori materials delivered to your doorstep. Theme units of discovery helps a child connect with nature, with life as we know it, and with their friends and teachers online too. For a short duration of half an hour every day, watch what happens online. Apart from the interactive sessions, we have games, dances, songs, quizzes, art and craft activities, virtual field trips, free thinking fun times, and all that ties in beautifully with the theme of the year. Our dedicated team not only creates custom-made Montessori lesson plans catering to your child's needs, but also observes their progress and provides continuous feedback. A certificate would be awarded from the school to those who complete the year. It's a monthly subscription-based program that's affordable and enjoyable for the entire family. This is the best time to join your child in his or her journey of wonder, laughter, and learning. So register with us now.